Hello and welcome to the Week in Review, the show that brings you up to date on the week that was. And the last week was a hopeful week with some signs of a possible economic recovery. Here are the top stories. Pranab Mukherjee says his budget took a risk, hopes it pays off and the economy revives. Monsoons pick up, bring cheer to Rice Bowl states. As outlook turns sunny for Sensex, analysts see green shoots in the IPO market. On Tuesday, Finance Minister Pranab Mukherjee told the Lok Sabha that if rains cooperated, the Indian economy would soon revive. He mentioned the 13% rise in cement production and that auto sales went up by over 14%. He also defended the heavy spending in this year's budget, saying it was necessary to spur growth.
Recent strength in the economy, some silver lining is visible. As I mentioned that I have taken a tremendous risk as finance minister. Not only me but the entire government, UPA government. All my colleagues have taken this tremendous risk with the hope that yes, there will be a turnaround.
The next day, the finance secretary said he would soon finalize a plan for disinvesting shares of public sector undertakings. The budget has a set target of raising 1,100 crore rupees through disinvestments by the end of the fiscal year.
The position of the government is very clear that there will be divestment of shareholding in listed and other public sector entities in proportions. And it will not, there will be no strategic sale. That also the government has announced. Government will retain 51%.
The Indian Meteorological Department shared the finance minister's optimism on the monsoons. On Tuesday, the organization said rains are likely to improve in states like Punjab, Haryana, and UP, often called the Rice Bowl states. In the midst of an erratic monsoon season, the department predicted that rains would be 93% of the normal level. On Wednesday, Sterlite Industries, part of London-listed Vedanta Resources, raised $1.5 billion or 7,200 crore rupees through an American depository share issue. There were more hopes on Thursday when in the domestic market, timeshare company Mahindra Holidays debuted on the National Stock Exchange. The company's scrip listed 5% above the initial public offer price. Fund markets and analysts predict sunny days for the Sensex. On Monday, the Sensex fell to a 2-month low, only to shoot up on Tuesday and Wednesday by more than 850 points. On Thursday, markets were flat, and on Friday, it shut up by 495 points. Mint's Ravi Krishnan tells us why.
I think investors have put behind them the disappointment of the budget. And there are three reasons which we can attribute to the market's rally of the past 2 days. One, corporate results are much rosier if you look at companies like Larsen & Toubro or Bajaj Auto and Infosys. Secondly, the government has been making the right noises on important reforms such as disinvestment and goods and services tax and the fiscal deficit. Thirdly, global markets have also done well on positive news like Goldman's profit and China's faster than expected GDP growth.
And Manchester United is set to storm Mumbai. The wealthy football club will launch a restaurant and bar in the city in October. The franchise will recreate the feel of a stadium along with live acts and big screens showing football matches. And that's all we have for you this week. Thanks for watching.